Morning sweets, I'm very happy because finally I can do my Boxycharm unboxing from October month, and it's late because I got it late and I haven't got the time to go around this, so let's just jump to it. We got 5 items. I'm gonna start with this one. This is Dermovia Lace and Peel Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So we got the tube and we got the 2 lace masks. I'm only going to take one out. It says to apply an even layer and to avoid eyes, eyebrows, lips, and hairline. It has a really goopy texture to it and it smells really refreshing. There. This is the lace mask. You have to put your ear through the holes. So now that we have all in place, we have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes until it is completely dry. So I have passed the time that I should have been having this in my face. So now you're gonna take it off. And it says to peel it off in a downwards way. Oh my God, I hope that I can take this off. Oh, and this hurts. Ow, damn, it really hurts. Really hurts a lot. Ow. And it says that the rest of it you should rinse it off, and I'm gonna rinse it off. I'm not gonna even attempt to peel this off. That hurt so freaking much when I was taking it off, but in this area here, freaking God, it hurts so badly. And actually what I can tell you is that it didn't do anything. I wouldn't recommend you guys using that thing. My base is almost done. The next item would be this wonderful palette. I really like the design that it has. When you open the palette, this is how it looks in the inside. So you have here your highlights, your blushes, and this is the palette with the little mirror. I want to mix the 2 shades that I have here for blush, and I'm gonna lightly apply it in the apples of my cheeks. It's really pigmented, which it's good, but then you have to be really careful when you apply it. And for highlighter, first I'm gonna start with the lightest shade, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit of this one in the high points of my face. So I grab first Twilight, and it's really nice. I apply it in my cheek. Now I'm going to the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the tip, above my eyebrows, and my Cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of the bronze one here. Now we're gonna start with the eye look. I'm gonna start with the darkest shade with Sneak Peek. I'm going to lightly apply it above my natural crease. I'm gonna apply it in tapping motions first, then I'm going to blend it, and I'm doing the blending part in small circular motions with this fluffy brush. I'm trying to work it to be a little bit darker in the outer part and going lighter towards the inner part of my eye. Now I'm gonna use this shade, Mask Off, and I'm gonna apply it first with my finger all over my mobile lid. I'm pressing the pigment Now I'm gonna go to Sneak Peek, the brown chocolate shade that I use first, and I'm going to intensify a little bit exactly where my crease is. It's just a slightly darken this area here. And then I'm gonna go again to Mask Off, and I'm gonna blend the 2 colors together. First, I'm taking it a little bit higher because I didn't got it to my crease, and now I'm applying it. And now I'm gonna lightly blend it into the other shade Sneak Peek, because I want to have a little bit of the gold flecks that this shadow has on top of it. Now I'm gonna go again to the brown chocolate shade Sneak Peek, and I'm try to extend the color. I'm gonna drag it a little bit out. Now I'm gonna take from the two shades from the pan, the gold one or green one, I'm not sure, not even what kind of a color is that, and the other shade, and I'm going to blend them together, drag them out, just to match what I did in the other eye. So I got a thought, and I wanted to try a lot of the colors that this palette is offering. I'm going to do a liner to try or use a lot of the colors that I haven't tried yet. In order to get the pigment or the power stain that I'm going for, I'm using my concealer, the one that I use for my face, to carve my wing liner. As always, first I went for the tail, and I use as a guide my bottom part, and then I draw the line towards my lid, and now I'm going for my lash line. First I'm gonna go to 12 a.m. and I'm going to press it to the part near my tear duct. Now that I have that cover, I'm gonna use an angle brush to be precise with this shade, and I'm gonna use Showtime, and this one is going to be the color of my tail. I'm feeling the tail of my wing. First, I'm pressing the pigment to make sure that it grabs the concealer, and then I'm going to lightly brush it to get all the parts even out. Go for the shade Expose. I'm pressing the pigment in the space that I left in the middle of my wing liner. Make sure that I don't have any part of my concealer without any shadow. And now I'm going for the blending part where this color meets the other two shades. They're sisters, they're not twins. And now for my bottom part, I'm gonna use the first shade that I went for, Sneak Peek, and I'm gonna use an angle brush to get it really near my bottom lashes, just in the outer part of them, and I'm going to apply it till the middle of my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go for Mask Off to go all over my bottom lashes from end to the beginning. I'm just pressing the pigment where I want it to be, and now using a really small blending brush, I'm going to apply a little bit of Mask Off, and I'm going to blend this bottom part. And I think that I'm going to take advantage that I'm doing my bottom part, and I'm going to use the angle brush to extend this gold shade to the bottom part of my wing line. Now we can go back to my Boxycharm and bring the other item that I got. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I know, by the way, that this is a really good mascara, so it isn't the first time that I'm going to use it. First my top lashes, and now my bottom. I have my lashes on, and now I'm gonna go for my brow bone. I'm gonna use Twilight, and just in the tip of my arch, I'm going to apply it as well in my inner corner. but also in my inner corner, I'm gonna apply this shade Expose. Just going to press it exactly where you have the V shape in your inner corner here. Exactly there. We're almost done with everything. I only got 2 more items left in my Boxycharm. One is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Broken Arrow. And the other item that I have is this Briogio Don't Despair Repair. This is a straightening, moisturizing, leave-in mask. I have already tried Briogio, and take my word for it, this brand is extremely good and technically is the best that you can use for your hair. Everything that comes from them is good. Now let's go for lips. I think it would do this shade. Kat Von D liquid lipsticks are really good, and this shade I was looking forward to buy it, so now I don't have to. As always, I start with my Cupid's bow, then the sides, now my bottom, first the center, then the sides. So sweets, this is it. This is the wrapped up. I really like my Boxycharm. I was looking forward to try 3 of the items that I have in this one because I haven't used that. Yes, I have gotten another. I think I have 3 more palettes from Pure, so I know for a fact that they are really good with eye makeup. But I have never even heard of Dermovia. If you ask me today what was my experience with the mask, I would say it was horrible, but I will try next time, which I have another one. Instead of leaving it for 20 minutes, leave it around for 12 minutes. As soon as I feel that it is dried up, I'm gonna take it off to see if it doesn't hurt so much to peel it off. But I didn't see in the lace mask any of my blackheads or anything that it would have taken out of my face, so I'm in between with this one. Pure Face palette I really like. I know that it isn't a day-to-day palette, but I don't have a day-to-day makeup, so I could actually use this one any day at any time, and I know I would get a great look with it. The Superheroe mascara, I know that is extremely good. My lashes look great. It is a product that almost everybody likes. I'm really happy that I got a full size. The Everlasting Liquid Lipstick from Kat Von D, also I know for a fact that these are extremely good, but if anyone has an issue with liquid lipsticks, this wouldn't be it for them. You just apply a balm or a little bit of Vaseline first and then go with the liquid lipstick on top. You wouldn't feel so dried up, your lips won't crack, and you won't get any of the uncomfortableness that some people complain about it. And also I'm really happy that I got another Briogio item. I love this brand. I can't get enough of it, so this was really nice for me. Overall, I'm really happy with my October box. Let me know in the comments below if you like yours and what items you got in your box. If you like this video, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And also, if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell. So sweets, this is all, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.